It's amazing.
This is
bedroom. Alexa, let there be light. Okay.
this is a parrot.
Oh,
This is my Mama's parrot. Her name is Simon. It's kind of mean if you think about it.
oh, look how you climbing up all the way up there.
Look at him.
Yay, such a big boy.
How old is Simon?
I see.
Simon will be a year June
I think
18th, a day after Jessica's birthday.
Okay, so
So basically, he's 7 years old.
No, I don't think birds are the same as dog ears. I think he is, he'll live till he's around 20, in his 20s. Yeah,
she kept coming.
maybe. Let's ask Google. Hey Google, how long does a Quaker parrot live?
The lifespan of monk parakeet is between 20 and 30 years.
20, 30 years. So yeah,
So
monk
how?
parakeet and Quaker parrot is the same.
Then how old is he if he's a year old?
Okay, so he's probably lifespan,
I'm legit crazy.
probably 10 years old. When he's 1, he's like a 10-year-old.
It's
He's probably like an 8-year-old right now.
no.
He's smart like an 8-year-old anyway.
Honestly,
Up, down. Up, down.
a lot crazier things.
Up, down.
A lot.
Up, down. He's camera shy. He knows we're on camera. Okay. Up, down.
Tell me that would change the way I feel about
It's a good boy. Good boy. What are you doing? Yeah. Up, down. Good boy. What are you doing? Up, down.
Look at that bird. Look at that.
Up, down.
Whee.
He knows what up and down is. Up, down. Up, down. Rocky, I hear you chewing on my couch. No, Rocky.